guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Saina Sekhri and for today's video I'm basically going to do and show you guys how I did this makeup look. As you guys can see, this is a very nice brown neutral glitter smoky eye sort of a look and it is great for the upcoming festive season. So there's Diwali coming up, so many occasions, there's wedding season and some of you are actually going to attend weddings as wedding guests. So this eye look would go well with almost all your outfits, your browns, your reds, your yellows, your greens, your blues also in fact. I believe this is such a versatile makeup look because it's brown, it's neutral, and of course neutrals go well with almost everything. For today's video I'm basically going to use some very affordable products that I recently purchased from the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, but mostly this look was created by some very new products. This is the first time I'm trying all these products out and none of these products retail for above 500, which means all these products are under 500, so it is super affordable. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for any festive look, your makeup has to stay on for hours and hours because you know, the wedding and all of these occasions go on for hours and you want a very nice base. So to achieve that base, firstly you need to focus on your skincare. Once you're done with moisturizing, once you've applied the sunscreen, you can go ahead and apply a primer. I actually got my hands on the Blue Heaven Flawless Makeup Base Primer. This is a perfect base for long stay makeup. So because of the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, I actually got this product for approximately 180 rupees. Even if you look at the MRP, it's not that much. It's really affordable, I feel like, and the product quantity is also quite great. I did use it a few days back and I absolutely loved the consistency. So if you look at it, it's quite close to the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. Now let's move on to the concealer. I have heard so much about the concealer that I am going to talk about today. It is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. It has a great formulation. It blends so well. It is very affordable, so that is a thumbs up from my end. Also, the best part is that it is super affordable. I got it for just 170 rupees after discount. Now I'm going to use my Sugar Blend Trend Foundation Brush 052. Now I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer and we'll begin with the eyes first because glitter eyes hone wala hai, so there's going to be some fallout which I don't want. Firstly, I'm going to set the eyes using the Blue Heaven Flawless Finishing Powder. So for the eyes today, I'm going to use the NK Makeup Spiced Up palette. It has some very beautiful colors for the wedding season, for the festive season. You just call it and it's right there. It has some amazing pigmented shades and I absolutely love the consistency. I'll go ahead and apply the eyeshadow shade that is B5. This can act like a transition shade, so I'm going to use that. Now I'll go ahead and apply this brown shade on the outer corner of my eyes. So in order to achieve a beautiful smoky eye, the key is to just keep blending all the colors together. So now I'm going to leave the eyes right here. I'm going to do the rest of the face and then get back to applying the mascara and doing the rest of the things. For the foundation, I am going to use my Holy Grail Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 220. I'll just slowly go ahead and dot it all over my face. One thing that I absolutely love about this foundation is that it is medium to full coverage depending upon your skin type, and you can of course go ahead and build it up layer after layer. I'm going to take my same kabuki brush by Sugar Cosmetics and blend it all over my face. So one thing that you guys can keep in mind, especially when you're doing something that is like a glitter eye, or if you're going to do some bold eyes, is that you can go ahead and do the eyes first. What happens is that, you know, it basically leaves no room for mistakes. Even if you make a mistake, you can of course go ahead and cover it up. Now I'll take the same Blue Heaven finishing powder and set my under eyes. I'm going to set the area around my mouth, my forehead. So for the blush and bronzer, I am going to use the Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette number 2. So it was for just rupees 570 and it has 6 colors of blush, 1 highlighter and 1 bronzer. So I think this is very handy. You can just easily carry it when you travel. This is very lightweight, great. Has several colors, bronzer, highlighter, all in just one palette. So it's absolutely great for the festive season, for weddings, for Diwali. This has some beautiful colors that, you know, you can work around with. Great for almost all skin types. Now I'm basically going to bronze my face a little bit just to add, you know, some depth and some shadows, because right now the face is looking absolutely flat. I don't usually go ahead and bronze my face on an everyday basis, but for the festive season, for the festive makeup look, I like to go a little bit out and apply the bronzer. I'm taking my Vega contour brush and basically taking this shade from the palette. I'm going to take the same contour color and apply a little bit to sort of contour my nose as well. For the blush, I'm going to use this shade right here. For the eyebrows, like you guys know, I don't really go ahead and fill my eyebrows. I just go ahead and brush them. But for you guys, if you guys want to go ahead and fill your brows, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Now I'll take the same NK makeup palette and apply this shade right here, and I'll apply it on the lower lash line. Now we'll move ahead with the mascara. For the mascara, I am going to use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. Now I absolutely love this mascara, you guys know it. But I also like to use it for festive makeup looks, and I actually go ahead and do a double coat of this mascara because it beautifully provides so much of length and volume to your eyelashes. So it looks great. So with just one coat, the eyelashes look so much fuller. Here's a trick for you guys. Go ahead and apply the first coat of mascara. Then you can go ahead and sort of curl your eyelashes using the eyelash curler. Then apply the second coat and it will make your eyelashes look so much fuller. Now that I'm done with the first layer, I'll use the eyelash curler. This eyelash curler is by Miniso. I'm going to sort of curl my eyelashes and then apply the second. Absolutely loving how the eyes look now. We are left with lipstick, highlighter and the makeup setting spray. So we're just going to do that and we're done with the makeup look. I am going to go ahead and use a nude lipstick. So to finish off this look, I am going to use the L'Oreal Paris Rouge lipstick in the shade 116 I Explore. Now I'm going to set the entire makeup in using the makeup setting spray and then apply the highlighter. So for the makeup setting spray, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural with aloe vera and vitamin E. For today's look, I am going to use my newly purchased Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter. So now I'm going to take a small brush and basically highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. So that's it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed all the products that I used in this video to create this makeup look, because all these products were super affordable, and it is great for a beginner, if you are a beginner, and even for pros actually. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you love the vibe here. I try and make content around makeup, fashion, lifestyle, and I sometimes vlog as well. So if that's something that you're looking forward to, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys do not miss it out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.